Hi everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. In today's video we're looking at the 9 best affiliate network and programs for 2020. Find the most profitable affiliate offers. Before we start though, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also check out the link in the description for my free affiliate marketing course on how to make money online. So yeah, I mean I'm just going to go over 9 websites that that you can easily sign up to and make money online with. Before we go into them, just want to let you know difference between networks and programs. So networks is basically like a platform of different affiliate offers, different vendors that go onto the platform and put their offers up on the central sort of website, as it were. Whereas programs are direct with the companies. There's no middleman taking their cut out of it as well. So yeah, let's just jump in. First one, Amazon Associates. I mean, if you've got an Amazon account, you can just join up. Such a great way of getting sales and commissions, because everyone buys off Amazon. Everyone buys stuff from Amazon. I mean, the commissions can be quite low, depending on what they are. I think you can get up to 12%, but they can be as low as 2-3%. It all depends on the price of the product. But the thing is with Amazon, they've got traffic, they've got buyers left, right, and centre. They're making sales all the time. So what makes up for the low commission rates is that you'll get volume in sales. That's the thing. So it kind of sort of levels itself out. But yeah, it's good. It's a good way of starting. You're gonna need a website. You need to have a plan with all of these programs. To be fair, they'll ask you for your website and and how you're gonna go about getting traffic. So yeah, just have that in mind when you sign up for them. But it should be easy enough. I don't see it being a problem. Just have a plan, an action plan that you can sort of say, yeah, I'm going to be, driving traffic to my website, making videos, stuff like that. Another one called Max Bounty. Now they're a CPA network, cost per acquisition. So basically, you're generating leads for them. So any leads they get from you, they pay out. And some of them, they pay out some big money for leads, like here, Bitcoin lead, $350 per lead. Some of them do ask for sales, but it's another good network site, and they've got everything here. Health, make money online, surveys. It's mainly to do surveys, I've found, with this particular site. They do a lot of keto stuff, and also gift cards, big thing on this, competitions, surveys. So yeah, it's not bad. If you can get a good traffic source to it, it's a nice little earner. When you sign up for these people, they'll obviously they'll want to see a website and everything, and they'll probably give you a call as well. They did with me. So yeah, as long as you just tell them I've got a website. You give them the URL and just say I'll probably do some paid traffic, make some videos. They'll be happy with that. And keep a good relationship with the account manager, because then they'll sure sometimes give you special offers and bump up the commission rates and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, no, Max Bounty is a good site. It's been around for a while. It's a good tried and tested platform. Number 3 in our list, we've got Clickbank. So everyone must have heard of Clickbank. So yeah, this is good. But the thing is with this, there's a lot of crap in here as well. So you got to be careful what you what you're selling. But there's people making loads of money on this. It's a big platform, and you got such a wide range of products to sell, to promote. A lot of it isn't going to be, isn't going to be quality, but you got to find those. You got to look for it. Do a bit of research on it. Check out the gravity, see who's selling them, how many people are selling them, and yeah, just it is what it is. Just try to stay away from all the like can I make money online niche. From all the sort of people that give you false claims. But yeah, you got to do your research on this. But it's not bad. It's not a bad platform. It's not a bad platform at all. If you choose the right products. Fourth one, you got Jvzoo, and this ties in with the fifth one that I'm doing, which is Warrior Plus. They're pretty much the same. Thing is with Jvzoo, about 90% of the products are not very good. They're misleading, and so you got to sift through the products. There are some good ones, but you got to do your research, because the majority of these products, they're just they're just selling you the dream. So if you're going to use this platform, make sure that you research the product that you're doing, and don't try to sort of scam people with low power products, because there is a lot of dodgy products, should we say, on this platform. And again, Warrior Plus, it's the same deal with Jvzoo. Majority of the products ain't very good, but every once in a while you'll get a really good product that you should promote. I mean, just looking down this list, there's not a very good. I can't see any real ones that jump out. That's good for that thumbnail blaster. But yeah, you gotta, one of the main tips I'd say is look at the sales page. If you're looking for a product to sell, and the sell page says, get instant traffic in 59 seconds and make £10,000 overnight and all that kind of rubbish, then stay away from those. Because those are not gonna. You can't sell people products that are not gonna work and are no good. You have to be honest with your approach with this whole marketing game. So just make sure you research your products. Make sure that you're not selling the crap. And you thing is though, with both of these platforms, Jvzoo and Warrior Plus, you're gonna have to sift through it all, because like I said, the majority of them are rubbish. They're completely rubbish. So yeah, I mean, they're good though. When you get a good product, it's a good platform. So that's that's the only thing you got to do your research on both of them. Another network is ShareACell. Yeah, it's quite a good network. It's got quite a few well-known products on there. Well-known brands, should I say, companies. And they've got quite a few things. It's not just digital products. There's everything: fashion, cooking and stuff. So yeah, it's a good platform actually. It's not bad. Again, when you're signing up, they're gonna want a website and everything. So just make sure you build your website first, or have an established website, and then just have a strategy, to tell them. To say, I'm going to be building pages, making videos, doing some paid traffic, and you'll be fine when you're trying to join up. So that's the networks. There's a few affiliate programs that I wanted to just go through. So the first affiliate program I wanted to talk about is GetResponse. Now, the reason why I recommend stuff like this is because all internet marketers need an autoresponder, and this is one of the best ones for me. This is the one that I use. And with GetResponse, you know, they've got all the tools that you need. They give you banners that you can put on your website, email swipes, email ads, text ads, infographics. You know, they give you everything you need, and it's a great. You know, I mean, I use GetResponse, so you know, I stand behind it. Or you know, I think it's a great product. And like, you know, stuff that you're using and you think is a great product, is always going to be a good sort of seller for you, because you can get behind it, and you know the ins and outs of the product. You know, you can sell it, and yeah, you know, the thing with these, a lot of these direct ones, the ones I'm going to show you, they're reoccurring. So if it's a monthly subscription, then yeah, you're going to be getting money every month. So yeah, seriously, I mean, stuff like this, definitely autoresponder, even like Aweber as well, because people go, you know, the main ones like Aweber, GetResponse, people are always going to buy them. Internet marketers always need them. So, and it's a monthly reoccurring commission. So the more you get of those, the more money you're going to get every month. So it's just a win-win, isn't it? So yeah, definitely, if you've got GetResponse, then yeah, sign up. It's easy to sign up. You know, the fact that you've got an account makes it, you know, that you'll get accepted straight away. If you've got Aweber, same again. Just sign up for the affiliate program and just start putting their links everywhere. You know, in your emails, make videos, how-to videos, and you know, start getting it out there. Another one is Thrive Themes. So I use Thrive Themes on my websites, which is basically a page builder. Again, it's reoccurring commission, so it's really good. You know, I mean, it's like I said, I know the product. I can make videos about it because I'm using it. So you know, it's a no-brainer, and you know, it's a quality product. I use it all the time, so I know how good it is. If you've got a product that you know how to use, you can easily sell it. You can easily make videos out of it. You can easily make a website. And yeah, just get it out there. Last one in today's video is ClickFunnels. Now everyone knows ClickFunnels, and everyone knows that their affiliate programs are top drawer. So just, you know, just look at their book, their latest one. You know, they've got the traffic secrets. This is just one of them. So you've got the main offer, then, you know, the order bumps, and you can make quite a bit just by selling this book, and the person goes through the funnel. I mean, these guys are king of funnels, you know. So if you could drive traffic to their main bit and let the funnel do its work, you're gonna make money. And you know, these are quality products as well. You know, ClickFunnels is tried and tested by everyone. It's used by everyone. So, you know, you can't go wrong. This is one of the best products to promote. And, you know, they've got loads of stuff that you can promote. So, yeah, one of the best ones that you can promote is ClickFunnels. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the link down below for my free course in affiliate marketing and how to make money online. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.